Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribe and press the notification icon so that you can get notified when the new video is uploaded. In this video we are going to solve one GFG problem, that is intersection point in Y-shaped linked lists. The problem statement is that we have given two singly linked lists of size n and m. We have to write a program to get the point where two linked lists intersect each other. The approach that we use in solving this approach is difference of node counts. In this approach, first step is get count of the nodes in the first list and similarly in second list. In the second step we have to count the difference of count. In the third step we have to traverse the bigger list from the first node till difference of nodes, so that from here onwards both the lists have equal number of nodes. After that we can traverse both the lists in parallel till we come across a common node, and we return at that pointer data value. Let's write the code. Firstly, we are taking two pointer P1 and P2 and initialize with head. And after that we initialize two counter value to 0, that is C1 and C2. After that we applying while loop and count the number of nodes in first linked list and incrementing pointer each time. Similarly we are applying while loop in second list and count the number of nodes in linked list. We again initialize pointer P1 and P2 to head 1 and head 2. After that we are calculating difference of both the counter. If counter C1 value is more than C2, then we move pointer 1 of first linked list to that different step ahead. And if counter C2 value is more than C1, then we move pointer 2 of second linked list to different step ahead. After that we are checking the address of both the pointer are equal or not. We are applying loop until both the address of PTR1 and PTR2 not equal. And after that we are checking that P1 is present or pointing to null. If present, then we return data value of that pointer. Else we return -1. Let's run the code and some error occur. Now again run. And this is the output. Now submit. This is the approach that I used for solving this problem. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.